Hey, hi, good evening, friends. Hope you all doing safe, healthy, and positive. I'm doing this live after a long time, and I just thought today being an International Friendship Day, so let's have a small jam session and we can have some fun. I have my son here. Come on, Zian, come and join Papa. And say hi to everybody there.
Hi everybody.
Okay, now you can go and take your audience chair. So ladies and gentlemen, we are going to do some live session song for you guys and on Facebook. And I'm sure you will enjoy it. If I make any mistakes while singing, I would like to apologize in advance. However, let's have some fun. So we'll start the first song of tonight. All copyrights are owned by the original content owner, so this is only for just for an entertainment, and there is no strictly commercial involved in this live video. We are just making people happy and entertained. So here we go with the first song of the International Friendship Day. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you Ye Dosti Hum Nahi Todenge.
Come on, Angel, let's start.
अरे मौसी कमाने का ऐसा है कि अगर कुछ कर ले कमा भी लेगा। अब आदमी रोज जुए में जीतता भी तो नहीं है ना, तो क्या जुआ भी खेलता है? ये कौन बोला? मैं नहीं बोला। हम अंग्रेजों के जमाने के जियालाल।
लोगों को आते हैं दो नजर, हम मगर देखो
साथ है सारी जिंदगी ये दोस्ती हम नहीं तोड़ेंगे तोड़ेंगे हम मगर तेरा साथ ना छोड़ेंगे ये दोस्ती हम नहीं तोड़ेंगे तोड़ेंगे हम मगर तेरा साथ ना छोड़ेंगे मुझे Happy Friendship Day to all of you people out there. Woo! Thank you. All right. Let's just grab my phone here, and I would like to see how many people are watching us. Oh, that's beautiful. All right. I have. Hi, Shrisha Shetty. Blanche, hi. Hey, Blanche, hi. How are you? I think Shrisha from India. I think she's from Bombay. Blanche Fernandez, my ex-office colleague. I think Blanche, I would like to know: are you still in Bandra or Balad, or are you back to Afghanistan? Just kidding, my friend. I have Hassan Fawad, one of my colleague from Pakistan. Hassan, hi. How are you? Dinesh Bandari. Hey, hi Dinesh. I hope you guys are safe and healthy and positive. We're just doing this session for entertain you guys. All right, let me just grab a glass of water. Okay. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, this is just an immediate live session. I thought, just go ahead. I mean, I was not prepared for this, but then I thought, let's do a session. It's a Sunday, beautiful Sunday evening out there. Okay. I'm gonna go for another song, ladies and gentlemen. I'm sweating. I'm not putting. You just have the fan here. Okay. We will go for another number. And hey, where's my watch? You're wearing my watch. Okay, my son is wearing my watch. Can I have my watch?
Yes.
Okay, so we're gonna have another song for friendship. And guys, if you have some requests, please ping me there, and if I can do it for you, I will surely go ahead and do it. And if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, you just need to type in AJAZ SHAIKH Shake, and then just type in AJ Karaoke. So you can find my channel there. Just go there and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have made more than 80 songs tonight. We have over 300 subscribers. Thank you to all of them. And then we have here a lot of followers and friends on Facebook. Thank you to them as well. All the copyrights belong to the original content owner. This is only for the entertainment purpose. No commercial involved. We are going through hard times of COVID-19, so we're making sure that we entertain people from our end whatever we can and make you guys laugh. Alright, moving on to the next song. I present to you another Friendship Day song. This is again one of the very old gold movie, Namak Haram, which has been I don't remember the director of the movie, but I remember the star cast, which has the superstar Rajesh Khanna, another the Shine Shah of Bollywood, Mr. Amitabh Bachchan. So we're gonna go ahead with this song, Diye Jalte Hain, Phool Khilte Hain, for you guys.
Let's go for the next song.
दिए जलते हैं, फूल खिलते हैं, दिए जलते हैं, फूल खिलते हैं, बड़ी मुश्किल से मगर दुनिया में दोस्त मिलते हैं, दिए जलते हैं, फूल खिलते हैं, बड़ी मुश्किल से मगर दुनिया में दोस्त मिलते हैं, दिए जलते हैं। जब जिस वक्त किसी का यार जुदा होता है, कुछ ना पूछो यारो, दिल का हाल बुरा होता है। जब जिस वक्त किसी का यार जुदा होता है, कुछ ना पूछो यारो, दिल का हाल बुरा होता है। दिल पे यादों के जैसे दीप चलते हैं, दिए जलते हैं, फूल खिलते हैं, बड़ी मुश्किल से मगर दुनिया में दोस्त मिलते हैं, दिए जलते हैं। इस रंग रूप को देखो, हरगिज़ नाज न करना, जान भी मांगे यार तो देना, नाराज ना करना। इस रंग रूप पे देखो, हरगिज़ नाज न करना, जान भी मांगे यार तो देना, नाराज ना करना। रंग उड़ जाता है, धूप ढलते हैं, दिए जलते हैं, फूल खिलते हैं, बड़ी मुश्किल से मगर दुनिया में दोस्त मिलते हैं, दिए जलते हैं। वक्त और जवानी एक दिन खो जाती है, सच कहता हूँ सारी दुनिया दुश्मन हो जाती है। दौलत
Kaliyan Karaoke.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, that was Diye Jalte Hai, Pool Kilte from Namak Haram. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so let me again note you that we are not prepared for this, but however, we just thought, like, let's go ahead on a beautiful Sunday evening and entertain you guys. This is strictly only for the entertainment purpose. All copyrights is owned by the original content owner. We are just doing this tough time of COVID-19 for just you guys to keep you pepped up and entertain you guys. And what can I say? And yes, no commercials is involved in this. Yes, my friends, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, just type HR Sheikh and just say there AJ Karaoke. We have performed over 80 songs in last 1 year, and just for entertainment. There is no earnings in that, just for an entertainment, pure entertainment. We have more than 300 subscribers now. And of course, I thank you to Facebook also for Facebook had also given us an opportunity to go for live here. And of course, there is no commercial involved one more time. And yes, my friends, so on International Friendship Day, today it's a beautiful evening here in Kalyan West, where we are living in Kadapada. Alright, Kala, Marathi Manas, Kai Boltoy. Let me see how many people are watching us. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, here. Okay.
One people.
Hey, I have a beautiful friend, Daira. Daira, my friend from she's from Australia. And then how many people are watching me here? Liju from Australia. Liju, I think it's a late night there. I think it should be around 12:30 or 1 a.m. Liju, go to sleep, Baba. Then I have my friend Dinesh Bandari. Bandari bhai, kaise ho? So some of the people watching me. So let's go for another song and keep you rocking. Don't do masti. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I haven't sung this song even on my YouTube, but even the Ye Dosti Hum Nahi Chhodenge, which I just performed the first song of today evening, beautiful evening here. But Diye Jalte was the song which I have sung last year, so I had that tuning in me. But now I'm going to perform a song which I haven't sung yet, and I just did today morning some kind of a riyaz and stuff. I'm not a professional singer, it's just a hobby and my passion. So I'm going to present you guys Zindagi Ka Naam Dosti, Dosti Ka Naam Zindagi from the movie Khud Garz, directed by Rakesh Roshan and starring Shatrughan Sinha. And our jumping jab, Kure, Tofa, 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 Jitendra, Jitendra, Jitu, Jitu, Jitu. Ji haan. So let's present this beautiful song sung by none other than the late Muhammad Aziz Sahab and the very charming singer Nitin Mukesh Sahab. Let me try for the first time ever, ladies and gentlemen. This is how it goes. जिंदगी का नाम दोस्ती, दोस्ती का नाम जिंदगी। कुछ भी नहीं रहता दुनिया में लोगों, रह जाती है दोस्ती। हो कुछ भी नहीं रहता दुनिया में लोगों, रह जाती है दोस्ती। जिंदगी का नाम दोस्ती, दोस्ती का नाम जिंदगी। जिंदगी का नाम दोस्ती, दोस्ती का नाम जिंदगी। Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, Jia. Go and take your seat. जिंदगी का नाम दोस्ती and दोस्ती का नाम जिंदगी on this Friendship Day. Beautiful, lovely evening out here in where we are. It's a Sunday evening on a Friendship Day. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you are having a good time out there. Let me again grab a glass of water. It's a live session, ladies and gentlemen. Just excuse me, please. Let me remind you, this is just a water, no colorful water. I'm sweating more because I had a very good Saturday night yesterday, so maybe that is giving me more sweat. Ladies and gentlemen, moving on with this show, and I present to you another Tadakta Padakta Gana. Yes. All right. The song is from the movie. Which is that movie? Yes, it's a very beautiful movie. Namak Halal, not Namak Haram. It's Namak Halal, starring Amitabh Bachchan, the Shahanshah of Bollywood, Shashi Kapoor, and the beautiful, the late Smita Patil and Praveen Babi. A song, a beautiful song. It's a rainy season out there, so it's raining, but yeah, it's not raining properly because we see a lot of sunlight sometime and it's rain there. However, ladies and gentlemen, I'm present to you a rainy season song, Aaj Rapat Jaye, for all you lovely guys and all you beautiful people out there, for all the lovely lovers and husband and wife. You enjoy the song and have fun, and let me again tell you, this is only for entertainment purpose. There is no commercial involved in this. This is strictly the original content is belong to the original content. You know, this is only for entertainment purpose, to entertain you in the tough times of COVID-19. I present to you Aaj Rapat Jaye. Ladies and gentlemen, here you go.
Arre, 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 na 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 na.
आज रपट जाए तो हमें ना उठाइयो, आज फिसल जाए तो हमें ना उठाइयो, हमें जो उठाइयो तो खुद भी रपट जाइयो, आप खुद भी फिसल जाइयो। आज रपट जाए तो हमें ना उठाइयो। बरसात जगाए मिठी चुबन नशे में झूमे मन रे आहा हो आहा हो आज बहक जाए तो होश ना दिलैयो आज बहक जाए तो होश ना दिलैयो होश जो दिलैयो तो होश जो दिलैयो तो खुद भी बहक जाइयो आज रपट जाए तो हमें ना उठाइयो सिमट गई सीने से लिपट गई रे
तुझे तो आया मजा तुझे तो सुनी हंसी तेरे तो जान हंसी
जाने जिगर चली नजर चुरा के आहा हो आहा हो
बात उलझ जाए तो आज न सुलझैया बात उलझ जाए तो आज न सुलझैया बात जो सुलझैया तो बात जो सुलझैया तो खुद भी उलझ गई
आज रपट जाए तो हमें ना उठाइयो ये बाला अरे कोकड़ी मछीवाला कोकण कोई बादल से छम छम शराब से
सांवरी घटा से शबाबर से
बादल से छम छम शराब से
सांवरी घटा से शबाबर से
फूलों की बजी पायल छटाए छेड़ी गजल ये रात गई मचल रे
दिलों के राज खुले फिजा में रंग घुले जवानी खुल के मिले रे
होना जो हुआ वही अब डरना क्या
आहा ओहो आज डूब जाए तो हमें न बचैया आज डूब जाए तो हमें न बचैया
हमें जो बचाइयो तो खुद भी डूब जाइयो आज रपट जाए तो हमें ना उठाइयो आज फिसल जाए तो हमें ना उठाइयो
आहा
ओहो
आहा
ओहो गिर गए रे All right, ladies and gentlemen, that was Aaj Rapan Jai to Homekad from the movie Namak Halal. This song was being picturized on the Shahinshah of Bollywood, Amitabh Bachchan sir, and the late beautiful Smita Patil. Ladies and gentlemen, moving ahead, I was when I started this song, I started a little bit of breathing hard because I apologize for that because I was doing some dancing moves. I think the gym should get started from tomorrow. Monday is a working day again. The beautiful morning will be there tomorrow. Right now we're here live on Facebook. a Friendship Day, International Friendship Day. So we're having a jam session out in my house with my son and myself. We're missing my wife. She's not keeping well. And missing my daughter as well. I don't know where is she, but we're gonna the show must go on. And let's see how many people are watching us. Okay, we got a lot of people joining us. Hey, Akram Khan, Assalamu alaikum. I think you are somewhere in Kalyan East. Ravi Tripathi bhai, namaskar. Kaise hain aap? Or two people are watching. We're having this jam session on Friendship Day. AJ karaoke session. So a lot of people from. I have a friend from Australia who's watching, Legion George. I have a friend Daira from Russia. I have Fawad Hassan from Pakistan, and a few of my friends in India here. It's a beautiful here in Kalyan, near Mumbai. Ladies and gentlemen, let's have another song. And before I go ahead with the next song, let me just grab water for you. Wait a second. Pop up. And let's go ahead. गिर जाएगा तो उसको लात भी लगी तो कैमरा गिर जाएगा. Yeah, you can carry on. I'm expecting a few of my friends at home now. They can be walking in. The doorbell will be ringing any time. My friend Vincent and his wife Mabel. They got the beautiful cake. It was my birthday on 30th July, so and I was not present at home, and yesterday they dropped into my house, so I had invited them so that they can also enjoy my live session. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm sure this is again strictly all the content in the songs, in these performances belongs to the original content owner. There is no commercial involved, strictly in bold and capital, and yes, no commercial involved. This is only for entertainment purpose. All copyright belongs to the original content owner. This is only for the entertainment purpose of COVID-19 tough times we're facing. So stay safe, stay positive, wear mask, take care of yourself, and don't get distracted by any fake WhatsApp university news. Okay, be positive, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see what I have in store for you tonight. Okay, I'm going to present to you from the movie called Love, starring the Baijan of Bollywood, Salman Khan, ladies and gentlemen, for you, and the South beautiful Revati. This movie is S.P. Balasubramanian sir, the song from the movie Love, and Chitra. So I'm going to present, and of course, I am a big fan of S.P. sir, wherever you are in the universe, on the top of the heaven. God bless you, sir. And here you go for all you lovely people on a Sunday evening on a Friendship Day.
साथिया तूने क्या किया बेलिया तूने क्या किया इतना करोना मुझे था इतना करोना मुझे था रहना सकूंगा सच मानो जिंदा रहना सकूंगा जीना मरना तेरा तेरे हाथ तो फिर संभाल के मैं चला ला 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 साथिया तूने क्या किया बेरिया तूने क्या किया ऐसे हुए हम एक जान एक दिल तू है कि मैं हूँ कहना है मुश्किल रंग मिलने के बाद नहीं है जुदा ला 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 जाना कहाँ आखिर में आ
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. This is a beautiful Sunday evening on a Friendship Day. Yes, with you guys, I'm AJ Karaoke session for you beautiful people. All right, friends, we have a YouTube channel. To subscribe to our YouTube channel, just type AJ's Shake, type AJ and then Karaoke. And we will find we have more than 80 numbers on our channel. We have over about 300 subscribers now. We've been doing this for the past 1 year. Just to entertain you people. And thank you Facebook for giving us the opportunity to go live. And we have lots of friends here, more than 1,500 friends and followers on Facebook. This is a beautiful Sunday evening near Mumbai and Kalyan, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to take a small break and I'll be back with my small break. Just a minute or two, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, got Zion here. Okay, what you did, Mike boy. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm back. Okay, so we're gonna present to you another number. All right. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the movie Sajan. Again, the Bhaijan of Bollywood, Salman Khan, and our beautiful Madhuri Dixit, Sanjay Dutt. One of the beautiful movies of early 90s. Oh God, that was something amazing days during the school days, I believe, of mine. And we had left the comedian, the great actor from Marathi industry, and of course in Bollywood, the late Lakshmikant Bedi Saab. So I present to you that this song has been picturized on the late Lakshmikant Bedi Saab and the Bhaijan Salman Khan. Tumse milne ki tamanna hai, pyar ka irada. And a beautiful Sunday evening, ladies and gentlemen, Friendship Day. Come on, here you go with the song. SP Balaswaram sir, this is for you, sir. Thank you.
तुमसे मिलने की तमन्ना है, प्यार का इरादा है और एक वादा है जानम। तुमसे मिलने की तमन्ना है, प्यार का इरादा है और एक वादा है जानम। जो कभी हम मिले तो ज़माना देखेगा अपना प्यार। ओ मेरे यार, ओ मेरे यार, तुमसे मिलने की तमन्ना है, प्यार का इरादा है और एक वादा है जानम। जो कभी हम मिले तो ज़माना देखेगा अपना प्यार। ओ मेरे यार, ओ मेरे यार, तुमसे मिलने की तमन्ना है, प्यार का इरादा है और एक वादा है जानम। मैं शायर नहीं, दीवाना नहीं, मैं आशिक नहीं, परवाना नहीं। मैं शायर नहीं, दीवाना नहीं, मैं आशिक नहीं, परवाना नहीं। मिली जब से नजर, तब से जाने जिगर। मिली जब से नजर, तब से जाने जिगर। मैं हो गया दीवाना, मैं हो गया दीवाना, अब जाने क्या होगा जाने जाना। तुमसे मिलने की तमन्ना है, प्यार का इरादा है और एक वादा है जानम। तुमसे मिलने की तमन्ना है, प्यार का इरादा है और एक वादा है जानम। क्या पता फिर कहाँ कब मुलाकात हो, वो हसीना से फिर दिल की बात हो। क्या पता फिर कहाँ कब मुलाकात हो, वो हसीना से फिर दिल की बात हो। उसके जैसी हंसी मैंने देखी नहीं,
beautiful Sunday evening, and we have joined by my son with me here. And ladies and gentlemen, we'll take a small break. We just grab a glass of water because this is a live session. You get choked, man. Okay, let me see how many people are watching us. Okay, I have Arshan, my brother. It's basically Majaz, yeah. And then I have Aarti, Aarti Prohit. Hey Aarti, hi, how are you doing? Be careful, my son, that stand will fall down. Just be still. And then let me see. Aarti Prohit is my school friend, New Lutz. And we got some people coming in, going out. Okay, let's do another number for you guys. This is a Sunday evening here near Mumbai and Kalyan West Kharagpur. And let me see what can I sing for you. I'm not getting that song, but how does, just give me a moment please. Need to be very careful. This is song. Okay, we're going to present for you the Amar Prem song 1972. This movie was being made on the superstar Rajesh Khanna and the beautiful Saif Ali Khan's mother. Wow, mother Sharmila Tagore, the tiger Nawab Bhatori's wife, and Chingari Koi Barke. Let's see if I can have you for tonight. Chingari Koi Barke on karaoke. So I have this song for you. I have done this song, ladies and gentlemen. I think in the month of Jan. Let's see how it goes.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
I'm gonna go for a last session tonight, ladies and gentlemen. Need to grab a dinner for my wife and kids. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen, on this beautiful Sunday evening. Chingari Koi Barke. And of course, we sung by the great Kishore Kumar Sahab, the late sir. I can't touch your voice, but I try to sing Let's go for it.
चिंगारी कोई बढ़ के चिंगारी कोई बढ़ के तो सावन उसे बुझाए सावन जो अगन लगाए उसे कौन बुझाए उसे कौन बुझाए पतझड़ जो बाग उजाड़े तो बाग बहार खिलाए जो बाग बहार में उजड़े उसे कौन खिलाए उसे कौन खिलाए हमसे मत पूछो कैसे मंदिर टूटा सपनों का हमसे मत पूछो कैसे मंदिर टूटा सपनों का लोगों की बात नहीं है ये किस्सा है अपनों का कोई दुश्मन ठेस लगाए तो मीत जिया बहलाए मनमीत जो खाब लगाए उसे कौन मिटाए
that's for tonight on this beautiful Sunday evening. जाने से पहले मैं एक और लाइन गुनगुनाऊंगा. I have told you एक लाइन जो मेरे दिल के बहुत करीब है और वो कुछ इस तरह से जाती है. And it's a humming from the movie Ram Lakhan. तो कुछ इस तरह से है, मेरे खुद दिमाग से भी निकल रही है. Oh, oh, एक है राम तो एक लखन, मेरे दो अनमोल रतन, मेरे दो अनमोल रतन. एक है राम तो एक लखन, राम लखन, राम लखन. ओ, 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 Get a little emotional. I have some feelings with this song. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this was being brought to you by AJ Karaoke. There is no strictly commercial involved. This was just for entertainment and this tough time of COVID-19. And ladies and gentlemen, this is only for entertainment purpose. No commercial involved. Nothing, nothing, nothing. Just to entertain you guys. All the contents of the songs belongs to the original content owner. We are just entertaining you. And I thank you everybody who joined watching me here on Facebook Live. God bless you all. Stay safe, stay positive, stay happy. And good night, ladies and gentlemen. We'll try and bring you some more videos again. Until then, ciao. Take care and have a great week ahead. God bless all. Thank you.
Jai Ho, bye bye, good night, dreams.